After performing a bulk upload scan, you'll notice that the counter at the top is telling you how many ASINs were found. In this scenario, 1,412 ASINs were found. This counter resets hourly on the Wholesale Ultimate plan. If you wish to look at the ASINs in a similar fashion that you're looking on the quick view, simply click on the ASIN. You'll have all the data that you're looking at in the quick view. You can close this by either clicking on the X button or hitting escape. 90% of the data that's in the quick view can also be found in this screen here. Notice there are many portions where if you hover over, there's a pop-up that will appear and you can see all the data points similar to those that are in the quick view. You can view 500 ASINs per page. If you want to go over to the next page, head over to the bottom right corner and click on the arrow. Now, starting from the far left, you can see that all the ASINs are numbered. If you wish to check some of them, you can click on them and you can perform certain actions. You can also shift click if you want to grab a lot of them, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. Now, if you want to grab them all, simply click on the minus button in the top corner. That selected them all. Now, if you want to remove that, click on it again and it removes them all.